It is given here the alignment of magnetic moments of a substance when placed in a magnetic field. We need to identify the type of magnetism exhibited by the substance. Here we can see all these magnetic moments are aligning in upward direction. This is a ferromagnetic substance because a ferromagnetic substance is a material that exhibits strong magnetic properties due to the alignment of its magnetic domain. In these substances, the magnetic moments of atoms or ions align in the same direction, resulting in a net magnetic field. This alignment occurs even in the absence of an external magnetic field as well. Small regions within the material where magnetic moments are aligned are known as magnetic domain. These materials are commonly used in permanent magnets and magnetic storage media. In the next question, it is given nickel oxide has the formula Ni0.98 oxygen 1. We need to find out the fractions of nickel exist as Na2 plus and Na3 plus ions. As per the given formula, we can write out of 98 nickel ions, X be in +2 oxidation state, and the number of ions in +3 oxidation state will be 98 minus X. Oxide ions has a charge of -2, we know. Now, to maintain the electrical neutrality, the total positive charge on the cation will be equal to the total negative charge on the anion. So, we can write 2x plus 3 into 98 minus x plus 100x minus 2 is equal to 0. So, we can get the value of x, that is equal to 94. Now, the fraction of Ni2 plus ion will be 9498, that is 0.96. And the fraction of Na2 plus ion will be 98 minus 9498, that is equal to 0.04. Now, the fraction of nickel ion that exists as Na2 plus and Na3 plus are 0.96 and 0.04 respectively.